嚟到第17題，咁首先題目話咧，我哋有一個 right pyramid，佢嘅 base 係一個 rectangle，長呢嗰條底嘅邊咧就係18，短呢嗰條就係16。咁然之後而家就話嗰個高咧就係12，然後個 pyramid 咧係 divided into a small pyramid x 啦，同埋一個 frustum y 嘅 by a plane parallel to its base。咁然之後而家就話嗰個 base of x 短呢嗰條咧，嗰條邊咧就係12。咁我問個 volume of frustum 係幾多咯？由於佢講咗一樣嘢好重要啊，佢就話係 divided by a plane parallel to its base 啊。咁就話到俾我哋聽咧，原來而家呢個細嘅 pyramid 同埋呢個大嘅 pyramid 咧係 similar 嘅。咁 similar 嘅意思係咩咧？就即係佢哋兩個 pyramid 嘅 volume 嘅 ratio 咧係等於嗰啲邊嘅 ratio 嘅3次方。咁所以咧 volume of frustum 咧就等於 volume of whole pyramid 乘以1減12除16，然之後12除16嘅3次方，然之後就1減咗佢啦。因為 volume of whole pyramid 乘以後邊呢個 term 咧就係 volume of small pyramid 啊嘛。咁然之後再將本身成個嘅 volume 減翻細嗰嘅 volume，就係個 volume of frustum 啦。咁然之後我哋而家嘗試去計 volume of whole pyramid 咧，乘18乘16，再即係呢個係個 base area，再乘個高啦。咁我哋撳一撳計數機咧，就知道佢係666 cm3啦。咁所以答案係 B。